Fantom's massive breakout continues to be on fire, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold above a key area of support above the 0.4618, and the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies above the 0.5319. And this massive breakout to the upside in a move that has now given us more than a 38.46% bounce to the upside has also been contributed to the Fantom's migration to the Sonic token, which is happening soon. That is something else that you need to have in mind, and that's a fundamental reason as to why we have been seeing higher prices. On today's video, I will also be discussing this chart pattern that we have here on the daily chart, which is an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and that's a bullish pattern that is just about to give us a massive breakout move. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, where we now have an inverse head and shoulders pattern, having this as the left shoulder over there. Then we have the head, then we have the formation of a right shoulder, and soon I'm expecting to see Fantom give us a break to the upper side of the neckline of the chart pattern, which lies above the 0.4865. And the moment we manage to get a successful break above that and continue showing that bullish momentum, we are going to see a massive breakout to the upside out of this chart pattern, whose minimum target areas can be given by getting the height between the neckline and the head. And on getting that height and then placing it above the neckline, we get a minimum target area above the $0.85. So there are high chances that in the next coming hours, Fantom is going to finally give us a break to the upside of this chart pattern over here, having the minimum target areas above the 0.85. Getting back to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. Here on the 4 hour chart, we have continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that after getting our significant lows on the 5th of August, we managed to pick in a 5-wave structure over here, completing the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that large Elliot wave count 1, we started a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, we have now fully maximized. And we have started to see a reaction of this area in what I am now terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.8075. So there's a very high chance that as long as we continue holding above key areas of supports in the next coming hours and days, we are going to finally see a massive bounce to the upside, fully maximizing our minimum target areas above the 0.8075. And we also need to have in mind that since whatever we are seeing at the moment is an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, within that Elliot wave count 3 we also need to expect to see another 5-wave structure within that larger Elliot wave count 3, and there are high chances that we have now peaked in an Elliot wave count 1, and in the next coming hours we might see a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, then expect a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then the wave 5 should easily get us back above the $0.8. And if this is the case, then using the Fibonacci's over here, in case we continue seeing this pullback, we can easily see a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, minimum target areas being given by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that lies between the 0.4387 and the 0.4198, which is the area over here. So there's a chance that in case we lose support above the 0.4618, and we continue seeing a bit of a breakdown move, then that will be a corrective structure in an Elliott wave count 2. Then soon we can expect a bounce in a wave 3, then a wave 4, and then finally peak in that Elliott wave count 5, getting us back above the $0.8 in the next coming hours. So that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the Fantom chart for the next coming hours and also days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.